3, 2, 1. Yeah! Happy New Year, Paris! Kiss mommy. Happy New Year. Kiss dito. Happy New Year. It's almost Happy New Year. Paris, everyone's saying Happy New Year. How about you? It's gone.
It's one way.
Yeah, it's finished now.
It's good, Mommy.
It's on again. It's on again, Paris.
More fireworks.
Oh.
Did you hear the disappointment?
Disappointment.
It's gone. Gone now.
It's gone. Oh,
It's
no.
one way again.
Where's Paris?
I'm here.
Oh, there. Dance. Dance.
Dance.
Toot, 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 toot.
Good girl.
No, no.
Careful. Hailey, careful.
It's
What is it you're after?
fire.
Fire? The fireworks gone. Finished. No more manak. Hi guys! Time check tayo. It's now 5:15 ng hapon. And naka-ready na si ate niyo. Ayan, naka-mook up na. At ito yung ating pa-outfit for tonight. Kasi nga, diba, New Year's dapat may mga bilog-bilog. O, diba, yan yung talagang we believe in the Philippines na kapag New Year's, kanyan, maganda pag suot mo bilog-bilog para, ano daw, akitin ng swerte. Ganun. pera daw, ganyan. O, diba? You'll never know. We'll never know. So, yan na guys. I am ready. I'm going to pick up Paris now from the childcare. And then, dive na kami papunta ng city. I'll just quickly show you my outfit para makita nyo. Simple lang tayo today, guys. So, this is my top. So, it's white na merong mga bilog-bilog na navy blue. For some reason, I'm really into, I don't know, navy blue, guys. At the moment. So, yan yung ating top. This is from H&M pala. And then, I just paired it with the white, pants, skinny jeans. Ayan. Tapos yung aking slingbacks. Ayan. And then, pinarisan ko lang ng manipis skinny belt. Kita niyo na ba guys, ang ating baby number 2? Ayan. So, yan yung ating pa-outfit. And also, yung aking buhok pala guys, ganyan ko na lang. Ayan. Para hindi ko na kailangan i-curl or anything. Paano na lang. Ganyan. Isahan na lang. And then, ito yung gagamitin natin na bag para bumagay sa kulay ng ating shoes. Oh, diba? So, that's it. Yan yung ating pa-outfit, guys. Pa-outfit ni Buntis. I really like it because it's puff sleeve. This is so me. Ayan. There you go. Tapos, nakarating na pala yung ating guys. Ito, yung ating buko pie na deliver kanina. Thank you. Thank you very much, Memes. Merienda. Ayan, dineliver nila before 6 o'clock kasi alam nila na aalis ako beforehand. And then, alam nyo guys, sobrang sweet nila. Meron pa silang ganito kasi para daw sa baby vlogger. Baby vlogger yung tawag nila kay kay Paris. So, libre nila to para kay Paris. Paris will love it for sure. Lengua di gato. Ayan. So, see guys, yan yung pangalan nila. Memes Merienda. Lagay ko yung guys, pangalan nila sa screen. If ever nandito kayo sa Melbourne, try nyo yung buko pie nila. Sobrang sarap. Alam nyo naman guys, palagi akong nag-order, diba? Kita nyo sa mga videos natin. Anyways, ayan guys, oras natin ay 5:18. And yeah, we gotta make a move now. Alright guys, see you later. Ayan guys, dito na kami sa sasakyan ng ating baby girl. At kinakain niya na yung binigay ng Memes Merienda. Say thank you, tita. Thank you, tita. Sabi niya kanina, so yummy, mommy. Give mommy one, B. So, it's 6 o'clock now, guys. Drive na kami papuntang, city. Bay, give to mommy one. Thank you. Thank you. How's your day at school, Nak? Good? Did you have a good day? What did you do today?
Kaka.
Did you eat?
Kaka, mommy.
Cracker? Oh, this is yummy, Nak. Yummy?
Yeah. What's that, mommy?
Do you like it?
What's that?
That is, let me read it again. Lingua di gato.
Gato?
What is it?
Gato, mommy.
A gato. It's very yummy, yes?
Yeah.
What is it now?
Itchy head.
Itchy head.
Yeah.
Oh no, itchy head. Guys, we're here now. It's 6:40 and kakapark lang namin. And I knew hindi kami mahihirapan sa parking, guys. Kasi nga, diba, this year walang fireworks. So, walang maraming sasakyan dito nagpa-park. So, we found one straight away. And ang ating baby girl ay, ayan. So, bibihisan ko muna yan siya ng kanyang dress. Woo! Are you excited na to wear your dress? What's the color of your dress, Paris? Pink. Tapos, pupunasan ko pa yan siya, guys. Kasi tingnan niyo ang mukha niya, oh. Very madungis. Very madungis ang ating baby girl. Yung madungis.
What's it there?
What is it na? Si Daddy Mike wala pa pala dito, guys. Papunta na siya. Nag-tram lang siya papunta dito. From, office niya. Okay, honey. We'll get ready. So, si Hailey. Okay?
Okay. We're going to have the car, mommy.
Yeah, careful. Follow me.
Hey, do you want the other hand?
Wow. Show mommy. Wow. Don't touch anything na ka. Where's the go? Don't touch anything ba? Okay? How much are you charging? Show mama. Wow, beautiful, anak. Oh, nak, let it dry, nak. Let it dry. Don't touch anything. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Happy New Year, Paris! Kiss mommy. Happy New Year.
Mommy, I'm going to get
Kiss dito.
No.
Oy, wag ka. Play na. Come on. Oh, say hi. Oh, say Happy New Year all to friends. Come on.
Oh, yeah, come sa akin niya.
That's it. Paris. What is it? Say Happy New Year. Okay, get it.
Yeah, man.
Get here, Daddy. Happy New Year. Okay. Hala, come on. We gotta say Happy New Year, Hailey. Happy New Year. I told you Happy New Year.
Happy,
Paris, everyone's saying Happy New Year. How about you? Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Just want to go upstairs. Happy New Year.
Oh, look, man, it's a fireworks.
Yay! There's a little bit at least. Something is better than nothing.
That's a red cover.
That's so cool, Paris.
That's happy.
Say, oh my god.
Oh my god. Is she water?
In the water, yes.
Say, oh my god.
Oh my god. No one see a chair.
Oh my god.
Go,
Careful.
It's gone.
It's so cool.
Wala, normally guys, dito yung fireworks, but now there's nothing.
Fireworks.
Hello, 2021.
Gone
Please
now.
be good.
Gone.
It's gone. It's finished now, Nok. There's no more.
No more.
That one way.
Oh my god.
It's one way, guys.
It's run away, guys.
It's gone.
It's one way.
Yeah, it's finished now.
Oh, it's good, mommy.
It's on again. It's on again, Paris.
More fireworks.
Oh.
Oh.
One.
Did you hear the disappointment?
Disappointment.
Paris, hold, Daddy, hold
And
Paris,
it's
Mommy.
gone. Gone.
It's gone. Oh,
It's
no.
gone right again.
Where's Paris?
I'm here.
Oh, there.
There.
Oh, there's more. Oh, they've got little ones.
Is it by yourself?
No, I'm in the chair.
No.
I'm in the chair, Daddy.
No way.
Nak, very, very dangerous, nak.
Oh, it's gone, Daddy.
That's the city, guys. Melbourne City.
It's gone.
It's good. That's right.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Gone now.
Let's see.
Bye-bye.
Let's go.
Say bye.
It's gone, Daddy.
Even the whale, walang
Let's
lights.
go. Daddy, let's go.
Finish. No more.
Haley just copying. Haley's like Paris
Going,
carrot.
Daddy.
Hey?
Let's go.
I don't know.
No more.
Gone to sleep.
Finished.
You stand next to Ava.
No.
Yes.
Careful, huh? Dance. Dance.
Dance.
Toot, 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 toot,
Good girl.
toot, toot, toot.
No.
Careful. Haley,
It's
careful.
getting us. Daddy's up there. It's up there.
Do the budut step.
Finish now. Finish now.
Okay. What? Oh, daddy bird.
Careful. Wow. They're a bit light, aren't they? What are you? That's it. 3 seconds.
They're just like, oh, we got these spare ones from last year.
Oh my god, seriously. Seriously. Seriously? 3 seconds? Yeah, 3 seconds. Is that all?
You Australian?
You're Filipino.
No, I'm not.
You like the fire?
No, fire, Daddy.
Are you Filipino or Australian?
Careful. Might fall off. Careful.
Paris.
I'll make sure.
You Filipino?
No, I'm not.
You're not Filipino?
I'm Australian.
I'm empty.
You're Ati?
Yes.
You're Ati Paris?
Yes.
Look, you didn't say Happy New Year to baby sister brother. Come on.
The pictures are fun.
Did you like the fireworks?
Paris, say goodbye to Santa Claus.
Bye, Santa Claus.
Who's that?
Bye, Santa Claus.
There's a big Santa.
You wanna?
You Santa Claus?
No photo for you.
Wait, we're using the
Take a
elevator.
photo.
We're using the elevator. There's the elevator. Wala ka lang bala. Guys, may elevator.
Because it's Santa Claus.
May elevator ang kanilang bahay, guys. Sana all.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Look in the mirror, Paris. Ooh, who's that?
That's me.
That's you. Who's this? Who's this?
Haley.
Haley.
Haley. Oh my god. So, she's cute. She was looking at herself. So, oh, she's cute.
We can tell Mum there's fireworks, so we were jealous.
You missed it.
You missed it.
Oh.
Oh.
Just like parrots.
Fibers.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my god.
That just scared me. What is it you're after?
Fire.
Fire? The fireworks gone. Finished. No more manak. Oh, we gotta go talk to who's the premier? Daniel Andrews. No fireworks. Do you wanna call him? Do you wanna call him? Huh?
Happy New Year.
I'm hungry.
You're so hungry? You're so hungry? You're so hungry but you only want chocolate. Hi guys! So it's now 2 o'clock ng umaga and kakarating lang namin dito sa bahay. Si baby Paris natin ice block na guys. Nung pagkalagay namin sa kanya sa sasakyan, nakatulog siya agad-agad. But yeah, that's about it. That's for our New Year's guys. I just want to say thank you very much for being with us sa 2020, and I'm really hoping na you still join us in 2021, especially ngayon the family is growing. And yeah, I really look forward, guys, na makasama ko pa kayo in the years and years to come. Maraming salamat sa suporta na pinakita nyo sa amin sa taong 2020. Yeah, I just want you to know na appreciate ko kayong lahat. And yeah, maraming salamat lang talaga, guys. I'm super tired na rin, guys. Oh my God. Ang aking mata, kailangan ko nang kunin yung aking contact lens kasi it's very annoying na sa aking mata. Anyways, before ko i-end ang ating vlog, we will do a quick shout out, of course. Kung pwede ko lang kayong ma-shout out lahat, guys, no? But I just wanna say shout out, thank you and shout out to Yet Balino, Jeremy Miala, Clarice Torres, Rosviminda Casilan, Cherry May Ongayo, Jovey Esin, Emelita Gonzalez, Diana Lu Arabis, Maika Bachinicha. Shout out to Maria Adelina Chan. Shout out to Gail, Rosilanda Keepers, Crispina Palma, Katita, Marichu Soles, Florence Harder, Maricel Portes, Lydia Aquino Duwatin Benigno, Mercy Narito, Rosel Flor, Eleni Alangkat, Fe Guarnes, Mami Rosa Valle, Novero Yoli, Lyra Murillo, Fabi Roy Volante, Jonah Reese, Rocky Trofil, and Paulina Kinis. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Once again, Happy New Year, everyone. Yeah, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family and be part of our 2021 family. And I hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. Love you guys.